gorgeous bob hairstyle. The stylist did cut off quite a lot of hair with this transformation. This is definitely a classic hairstyle idea that you can try out this season. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seekers. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more can't miss hair transformations. So here we once again have someone going from long hair to short. The stylist does a nice layered haircut for this one. Beautiful. I love the way that the layers frame out her face. She looks amazing. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone with dark shoulder length hair. And she switches things up by going a tad bit shorter with this copper color. Absolutely stunning. I really like this orange copper shade. She does have the face framing curtain bangs going here as well. And then we move on to someone who has some grown out ombre color, and she also decided to go with the reddish copper color trend. I really like the choppiness of the bangs. Definitely something different, and that color looks amazing on her. Next up, we once again see someone with some darker roots. And it looks like she decided to get some dimension to her hair with this chunky highlight look. So pretty. And then we see someone with long dark hair. Stylist places the hair in two ponytails and cuts the hair off. And she gets a nice chic layered haircut complete with bangs. Very nice, very popular style there with the layers going in the front. Next up, we see someone with hair just past their shoulders. Looks like she might be getting a bob for this hair change. And bam, beautiful angled bob with the side swept bangs. Very nice. So much fullness within her bob haircut. I love it. Next up, we have a pixie haircut. Beautiful texture on this pixie style. Stylist does a blowout and reveals beautiful hints of blonde sprinkled in through the black. Still a gorgeous shape and texture with this cutting. Very nice. This is a very 90s inspired pixie. So chic and stylish. Next up, we see someone with a bob. The stylist does some color. Oh, wow, beautiful, great pixie bob. Oh, this is absolutely stunning. I really like the color on this. Lots of texture within the back part of the hair, longer in the front. Very nice hairstyle idea. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.